Hi everyone, welcome to my first studio vlog. I've never done anything like this before, so let's see how it goes. So this week has been very busy. We had our anniversary on February 13th, 15th. Both of us took a day off and we decided to go to the zoo. It was great. We got a chance to feed giraffes and that was so cool. His name was Philip and he was so gentle and so cute. So they gave us 3 strings of leaves, so you could like give one at a time to Philip, and he has a very long tongue and he licked my finger and it was so cute. I honestly, that was the highlight of the whole experience. 16th is Josh's birthday, so on Saturday we went to our car museum here in Los Angeles. Never been there before and it was really cool.
It was really interesting to learn about how the cars were made back in the days. And also there were so many cool looking cars. There were also cars from the movies, like this one from Back to the Future. And this one is my favorite.
Coffee break with my Gulnara mug. It's the best. I need to warm it up. Okay, hold on. Warming up the coffee.
In the meantime, you can watch me and Josh put together my new IKEA drawer unit. It's insane how many parts there are in a simple drawer. Here I'm cleaning up my studio space. I just got a Cricut and had to figure out how to arrange my printer, scanner, Cricut and my computers with all the art supplies. Josh was watching Spider-Man Homecoming, so I had tea and chocolate breaks. In the end, it turned out pretty well, and I'm pretty happy with my new setup.
Okay, I'm back.
So for this week's bullet journal spread, I decided to use watercolor pencils. I apparently had 3 different brands and I only used one of them one time. So I figured it would be great to use all 3 and see how they work. As always, all art supplies are listed below. Since the theme for this week is pastry, I picked all pink and purple colors from the sets and made my swatches. If you want me to make a full review of watercolor pencils, please let me know in the comments below. result. They didn't ghost, and it was very easy to blend colors with a very little amount of water. So I will definitely use the watercolor pencils again in the future.
So, last weekend, I think it was last weekend, I got some goodies, which I've been holding on to like opening until today because I wanted to record a reaction video and I didn't have any time during the week. So if you've been watching my YouTube channel or following me on Instagram, you've probably seen that I started using a bullet journal for the first time this year, and I've been using Scribbles That Matter since January 1st, and I really like it. I picked this really bright turquoise color because I like everything colorful, even though most of my wardrobe is blue, white, and black, and recently started adding more yellow. But when it comes to stationery, I love colors. Everything colorful. Scribbles That Matter reached out to me on Instagram and they asked me if I wanted to try out their new product that they've been working on developing specifically for watercolors. That was very exciting, so of course I said yes, please. So they sent me two packages, these two packages. I started opening one because I obviously couldn't wait, and then I was like, no, Gulnara, exercise, self-control. You have to wait. Let's start with this one since I already started opening it. Exciting. It's like Christmas. Okay. Ooh, this is exciting. Okay, hold on. I gotta see it. Wait up. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. They sent me brush pen set. Oh, that is awesome. That is so cool. Here, sorry. Here we go. See? It's like, I'll show you here close. So it's actually watercolor. Oh, that's awesome. For some weird reason, I thought they were developing a sketchbook, which I was like, I have my favorite sketchbooks, but I really like trying different ones. It's even better because I can try these in the bullet journal itself. And oh my goodness, this is perfect. So I will do a full review of these watercolor brush pens in a separate video because again, like otherwise this vlog is gonna be huge and ginormous, but it looks so exciting. Oh my goodness, there are 48 colors. So like there are 48 colors. Watercolor brush pens. Here they are. Scribbles That Matter. Scribbles That Matter. Thank you so much for sending this over. I'm really excited to try these. So watch out for the video for me trying these brush pens. Oh yes! Oh yes! Oh no, it's so cool! Look! It's like a cousin for this guy. It's a cousin. Oh my god, this is perfect. I've been like so careful because I was trying to see if I can use my bullet journal, like one bullet journal for the whole year. And now I don't have to because I have another one and they match. This one is turquoise with yellow. Look at that. Happiness. Thank you guys for watching my first vlog. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more art videos. Have a great day. Bye!